Welcome to this luxury jewelry video showcasing the stunning diamond angel wing pendant necklace. Find this exquisite piece and more at the website on the screen. This angel wing pendant necklace is inspired by a heavenly design. It features an elegant, symbolic design with fine details, resulting in lightweight, everyday jewelry. The design of the pendant showcases a silhouette of grace with soft, flowing lines and balanced proportions. It has a curved angel wing outline and open work styling. Experience a harmonious contrast with the sterling silver body and a yellow gold accent. This contrast finish gives the piece a luxurious appearance. The necklace offers brilliant illumination with a diamond outline along the wing. The round stones create a bright sparkle look, centered by a floating stone. The anatomy of elegance includes a fine chain necklace connected to a sterling silver pendant. Key features are the round diamonds, a yellow gold detail, and a spring ring clasp. The 18-inch chain offers the perfect drape, sitting near the collarbone. It is comfortable for wear and easy to layer with other necklaces. The pendant has refined proportions. Its delicate yet visible size can be referenced against a coin or a ruler as shown. Exceptional craftsmanship is evident in the macro view. Notice the detail of the metal texture, the polished finish, and the fine craftsmanship look of the piece. This necklace allows for effortless styling, as shown by this real wear example. It rests in a natural position on the neckline. The angel wing is a powerful symbol of light, representing protection and remembrance. It is sentimental style that makes for a meaningful gift. This necklace is the perfect gift for many occasions, including birthdays and holidays. It can be memorial jewelry or an everyday necklace. Experience the Bijoux-NYC direct difference. We offer fine jewelry online with carefully selected designs, secure checkout, and direct shipping. The Diamond Angel Wing Pendant Necklace is elegant, symbolic, and ready to wear. View this piece at Bijoux-NYC Direct using the link provided.